This is a karaoke file containing lyrics and timing. It's used by specific karaoke players. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's sing. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional KRX file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. A KRX file is a karaoke file, typically associated with karaoke software and devices. These files contain the lyrics, timing information, and often the instrumental music for a karaoke track. They are used to display the lyrics on screen in sync with the music, allowing users to sing along. The format is often proprietary and may require specific karaoke player software. The KRX file format usually includes embedded text data for lyrics, timing cues to synchronize the lyrics with the music, and audio data or references to audio files. The internal structure is often compressed or encoded to optimize storage and playback performance. Reverse engineering may be required to fully understand the format. When opening KRX, begin by trying karaoke players. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows presents only minimal context, so full interpretation relies on compatible tools. Right-click the KRX file and choose Open With. If you see a category-appropriate option, for example, karaoke players, try that first. Otherwise, test a few different apps from the list. When your KRX file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the KRX file won't cooperate. First, use Karaoke Player. Open the file using a dedicated karaoke player, e.g. KaraFun, VanBasco's Karaoke Player. Next, check lyrics. If lyrics won't display, check the file's encoding in a text editor and ensure the file is saved with the correct MIDI format. Finally, convert to MP3s on MIDI. Use the software's export function to save the file as a universal format like MP3 or MIDI. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagic.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.